Making barbecue tikka at home can be a fun and delicious experience. Here is a recipe for making barbecue tikka at home. Ingredients: 1 pound boneless, skinless chicken breast, cut into small cubes, 1/2 cup plain yogurt, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 2 teaspoons ginger paste, 2 teaspoons garlic paste, 2 teaspoons red chili powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, salt to taste. Skewers instructions. In a bowl, mix together yogurt, lemon juice, ginger paste, garlic paste, red chili powder, turmeric powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, and salt. Add chicken cubes to the marinade and mix well, making sure each piece is coated with the marinade. Cover the bowl and refrigerate for at least 2 hours or overnight. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Soak the skewers in water for at least 30 minutes. Thread the chicken cubes onto skewers. Place the skewers on a baking sheet and bake in the preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the chicken is cooked through and slightly charred. Serve hot with mint chutney and lemon wedges. You can also cook the chicken tikka on a grill or over a charcoal fire for a smoky flavor. Just make sure to turn the skewers regularly to cook the chicken evenly on all sides. Enjoy!